Diet for dogs with diarrhea. Eating right for quick recovery. Introduction. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that can be both distressing and concerning for dog owners. Diarrhea in dogs. If you've noticed your dog having loose stools or diarrhea, you're probably wondering what you can do to help them recover quickly. While diarrhea can often be a minor issue, it's essential to address it properly to ensure your dog's health and well-being. In this video, we'll discuss how diet plays a crucial role in your dog's recovery from diarrhea, what foods to avoid, what to include, and how to help them get back to their normal, happy self. Stick around till the end for some helpful tips and expert advice that could make all the difference in your dog's recovery process. What causes diarrhea in dogs? Before we dive into the diet recommendations, it's important to first understand the potential causes of diarrhea in dogs. Diarrhea can occur for a variety of reasons, ranging from infections to dietary indiscretions. Here are a few of the most common causes. Dietary changes. Introducing new foods or treats can sometimes cause digestive upset, leading to diarrhea. If your dog is used to a certain type of food, switching it abruptly can cause gastrointestinal issues. Food intolerances and allergies. Some dogs may have sensitivities to certain ingredients, such as dairy, gluten, or certain proteins. These intolerances can lead to digestive upset, including diarrhea. Bacterial or viral infections. Pathogens such as E. coli, salmonella, or the parvovirus can cause serious infections that lead to diarrhea in dogs. It's important to monitor for other symptoms like vomiting or lethargy if infections are suspected. Parasites. Intestinal parasites such as Giardia or roundworms can cause diarrhea in dogs. These parasites often cause diarrhea along with other gastrointestinal issues, like bloating or vomiting. Stress or anxiety. Dogs that experience anxiety or stress due to changes in their environment, such as a move, a trip to the vet, or being left alone, can develop diarrhea as a result of their emotional state. Toxins or poisoning. If your dog ingests something toxic, such as certain plants, chemicals, or human food, it can cause diarrhea along with other symptoms like vomiting or lethargy. Underlying health conditions. Conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, pancreatitis, or liver disease can lead to chronic diarrhea. These conditions may require veterinary treatment and long-term management. Now that we understand some of the possible causes, let's talk about how diet can play a crucial role in helping your dog recover from diarrhea. How diet helps in dog diarrhea recovery. When your dog is suffering from diarrhea, one of the best things you can do is provide a gentle, easily digestible diet that allows their digestive system to rest and heal. The right foods will provide essential nutrients while being gentle on their stomach and intestines. Here's how diet can help your dog recover. Soothing the digestive system. Some foods are less likely to irritate the stomach and intestines, helping reduce inflammation and discomfort. Restoring gut flora. Diarrhea can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in your dog's gut, and a special diet can help replenish those beneficial microorganisms. Preventing dehydration. Diarrhea can cause dehydration, which is dangerous for dogs. A diet that encourages hydration, such as with wet food or broths, can help maintain fluid levels. Providing digestive enzymes. Some foods contain natural enzymes that can help break down food and ease the burden on the digestive system. Foods to feed your dog with diarrhea. When your dog is suffering from diarrhea, it's best to start with a bland diet to give their digestive system a break. Here's a list of foods that are gentle on your dog's stomach and can aid in their recovery. 1. Boiled chicken. Boiled chicken is one of the most recommended foods for dogs with diarrhea. It's a lean protein that's easy on the stomach and provides the necessary nutrients for recovery. Be sure to remove the skin and bones, as these can be difficult for your dog to digest. 2. Boiled white rice. White rice is another bland food that is easy to digest and helps bind the stool. It's a good source of carbohydrates that can provide energy while being gentle on your dog's digestive system. 3. Pumpkin. Plain canned pumpkin without added spices or sugars is excellent for dogs with diarrhea. It's high in fiber, which can help firm up your dog's stool, and it also provides essential nutrients like vitamins A and C. 4. Boiled sweet potato. Like pumpkin, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and can help regulate digestion. They are also packed with vitamins and minerals that promote overall health. Be sure to peel and boil the sweet potatoes to make them easier to digest. 5. Plain white bread. While not as nutrient-dense as rice or pumpkin, white bread can be a good source of fiber for dogs with diarrhea. It can also help absorb excess water in the intestines and firm up stools. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutritious and hydrating option for dogs with diarrhea. It provides essential minerals and helps prevent dehydration, which is a major concern with diarrhea. Make sure the broth is low sodium and free from added seasonings. 7. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help restore the balance of gut flora, which can be disrupted by diarrhea. You can find probiotic supplements for dogs or use natural sources like plain, unsweetened yogurt in small amounts to boost your dog's gut health. Plain cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another mild food that can help with digestion. It contains protein and calcium, which can aid in the recovery process. However, some dogs may have difficulty digesting dairy, so be sure to monitor for any signs of intolerance. Foods to avoid for dogs with diarrhea. While certain foods can help your dog recover from diarrhea, others can make the situation worse. Here are some foods you should avoid feeding your dog during this time. 1. Fatty foods. Fatty foods, including fatty cuts of meat and foods rich in oil, can irritate your dog's digestive system and worsen diarrhea. Stick to lean proteins like boiled chicken or turkey. 2. Dairy products. Many dogs are lactose intolerant, and dairy products can cause further gastrointestinal upset, leading to more diarrhea, bloating, or gas. Avoid milk, cheese, and cream. 3. Spicy or seasoned foods. Spices and seasonings can irritate your dog's stomach and intestines, making their diarrhea worse. Avoid feeding them foods that are cooked with onions, garlic, or any other strong spices. For raw meat. Feeding raw meat to dogs with diarrhea can increase the risk of bacterial infections and worsen gastrointestinal issues. It's important to only offer well-cooked foods during recovery. 5. Grains like corn or wheat. Some dogs may have sensitivities to grains like corn or wheat, which can cause digestive issues. Stick to rice or sweet potatoes instead. 6. Toxic foods. Certain human foods are toxic to dogs, such as chocolate, grapes, raisins, onions, and garlic. These should never be fed to your dog, especially when they are ill. How much and how often to feed your dog? When your dog is recovering from diarrhea, it's important to feed them smaller, more frequent meals to avoid overwhelming their digestive system. Here's a general guideline for portion sizes and feeding frequency. Start with small portions. Begin with small meals, about 1/4 to 1/2 of their usual meal size. Gradually increase the portion size if they're tolerating it well. Feed more frequently. Offer food 3 to 4 times per day rather than just once or twice. This helps prevent the digestive system from becoming overloaded. Watch for dehydration. If your dog is still having diarrhea, dehydration can be a concern. Make sure they have access to fresh water at all times, and consider adding electrolytes or giving them ice cubes to lick if they're not drinking enough. Gradually reintroduce regular food. Once your dog's diarrhea has improved and their appetite returns to normal, you can begin gradually reintroducing their regular food. Do this over a period of 3 to 5 days to avoid further upsetting their stomach. When to see a vet. While mild cases of diarrhea can usually be managed at home with diet changes and hydration, there are times when you should consult a veterinarian. Here are some signs that your dog may need professional care. Diarrhea lasts more than 48 hours. If your dog's diarrhea persists for more than a couple of days, it's time to visit the vet. Prolonged diarrhea can lead to dehydration and malnutrition. Other symptoms appear. If your dog is vomiting, lethargic, has a fever, or is showing signs of pain, this could indicate a more serious condition that requires immediate veterinary attention. Blood in stool. If you notice blood or dark tarry stools, it's essential to consult a vet right away, as this could indicate a severe gastrointestinal issue or infection. Sudden onset of diarrhea with no known cause. If the diarrhea comes on suddenly and there's no clear cause, like dietary changes, it could be a sign of a more serious illness. Conclusion: diarrhea in dogs is a common issue that can be caused by many factors, from dietary indiscretions to infections. While it's often a mild condition, providing the right diet and care can help your dog recover quickly and comfortably. By offering bland, easily digestible foods and keeping your dog hydrated, you'll help them feel better in no time. Always remember to monitor your dog's symptoms and seek veterinary care if necessary. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with other dog owners who may find this advice useful. Let us know in the comments if you've ever had to deal with diarrhea in your dog, and share your experiences or questions. Until next time, take care of your furry friends.